Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you optimize your car's performance. Flat tires are a nuisance, and they can be dangerous. That's why it's important to know the top 16 causes of flat tires and how to avoid them. In today's video, we're going to walk you through each cause and give you tips on how to keep your tires inflated and safe. Flat tires can be a real pain, but with a little bit of knowledge and preparation, you can avoid them altogether. So, let's get started. 1. Punctures from sharp objects. This is the most common cause of flat tires. Nails, screws, glass, and other sharp objects on the road can puncture your tire and cause it to go flat. To avoid flat tires caused by sharp objects, be careful when driving over debris or in areas where there may be sharp objects on the road. If there are alternate routes, try to avoid driving over debris on the road and keep your tires properly inflated. You may also want to consider investing in puncture-resistant tires. 2. Overinflation. Overinflated tires can cause the tire to wear out faster and can lead to a blowout. Overinflated tires are more prone to blowouts. To avoid this, do not overinflate your tires. Make sure to check your tire pressure regularly and keep it at the recommended level found in your owner's manual or on the sidewall of your tire. 3. Underinflation. Underinflated tires are more likely to go flat than properly inflated tires. This is because underinflated tires are more prone to sidewall flex and failure. Underinflated tires can cause the tire to wear out faster and can also lead to a blowout. To avoid flat tires caused by underinflation, check your tire pressure regularly and inflate your tires to the recommended PSI, pounds per square inch. You can find the recommended PSI for your tires in your owner's manual or on the sidewall of your tire. 4. Damaged valve stems or valve stem leak. The valve stem is the small metal part of your tire that you use to inflate it. Valve stems can become damaged over time, causing air to leak out of the tire. To avoid this, have your valve stems inspected and replaced regularly, especially if they are cracked or damaged. Make sure to check your valve stems regularly and replace them if necessary. 5. Damaged wheels. Wheels can become damaged over time, causing air to leak out of the tire. To avoid this, make sure to check your wheels regularly and replace them if necessary. 6. Overloading. Overloading your vehicle can cause your tires to wear out faster and can also lead to a blowout. This is because overloading puts extra weight on your tires, which can cause them to overheat and fail. To avoid this, make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommended weight limits for your vehicle. 7. Extreme temperatures. Extreme temperatures can cause your tires to expand or contract, leading to a blowout. Air pressure fluctuates with temperature. In cold weather, the air pressure in your tires decreases. In hot weather, the air pressure in your tires increases. To avoid this, try to avoid driving in extreme temperatures and keep your tires properly inflated. 8. Age. Tires can become worn out over time, even if they haven't been used much. To avoid this, make sure to replace your tires every 6 years, even if they still look good. 9. Worn tires. Worn tires are more likely to go flat than new tires. This is because worn tires have less tread, which makes them more susceptible to punctures. To avoid flat tires caused by worn tires, replace your tires when they reach the legal tread depth limit. You can check your tread depth by inserting a penny into the tread. If the top of Lincoln's head is visible, your tires are below the legal tread depth limit and need to be replaced. 10. Road hazards or poor road conditions. Road hazards, such as potholes, debris, and curbs, can also cause flat tires. To avoid flat tires caused by road hazards, be careful when driving over debris or in areas with potholes. If you have to drive over a pothole, slow down and drive over it at a slight angle. 11. Wheel alignment problems. Wheel alignment problems can also cause flat tires. This is because wheel alignment problems can cause uneven wear on your tires. To avoid flat tires caused by wheel alignment problems, have your wheel alignment checked and adjusted regularly. 12. Improper tire maintenance. Improper tire maintenance can also cause flat tires. This is because improper tire maintenance can lead to wear and tear on your tires, which can make them more susceptible to punctures and blowouts. To avoid flat tires caused by improper tire maintenance, check your tire pressure regularly, inspect your tires for signs of wear and tear, and have your tires rotated and balanced regularly. 13. Overheating. Overheating can cause your tires to expand and eventually blow out. Make sure to avoid driving at high speeds for extended periods of time, especially in hot weather. 14. Improper installation. Improper installation of your tires can cause them to go flat. Make sure to have your tires installed by a professional and make sure they are properly aligned. 15. Chemical exposure. Exposure to chemicals like oil or gasoline can damage your tires and cause them to go flat. Make sure to avoid spilling these chemicals on your tires. 16. Manufacturing defects. Finally, manufacturing defects can also cause your tires to go flat. Make sure to check for any recalls or defects before purchasing new tires. So there you have it, the top 16 causes of flat tires and how to avoid them. By following these tips, you can help prevent flat tires and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Until we see you in our next video, stay safe and stay blessed.